So what's going on behind me on this very noisy road? Behind me is Iron Mountain. This is, at more than 2 million square feet, the largest single data center entity in Prince William County, Virginia, which is part of the largest constellation of data centers in the world. Iron Mountain currently, at its current build out, is at north of 2 million square feet of space. We don't know the impact on environment that these structures are going to have on our daily lives. We do know that the electrical load needs are going to be massive. Already we're getting brand new substations built in. Within my 6 square mile area where I live, we're going to get 3 brand new substations. And behind me to my south, you can't see it here, but beyond that marquee, we're going to have another data center. Oh, and then off in the distance, that's more Iron Mountain. They are everywhere. We know it's going to use a lot of electricity. We also know it's going to use a lot of water. You need a lot of water to cool these buildings. But what we don't know is what we don't know. We don't know what's going to happen on hot summer days. Are we going to have brownouts? Are we going to have blackouts? We think that these data centers are going to have the first access to electrons and not homeowners. Second is going to be water. Do we have enough water to cool these structures? And we're also worried about noise, and we don't know what the effect of that's going to be. So I know a lot of you around the world have watched the scale of data center growth. Well, it's happening in my backyard. We are the epicenter.